guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, it is now time for the spring 2024 FabFitFun add-ons to start. I am so excited as always, so I'm really excited to get into this video and share with you guys the items that I currently have in my cart from the add-on sale for the season. If you want to check out everything I have my eye on for this season, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked below, and please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are returning, thanks so much for coming back for yet another video. Alright guys, so I do these videos quarterly, so it is now time for the spring 2024 FabFitFun add-ons. And I am so excited as usual to take you through the items that I have in my cart. It's always the case, but I find so many great finds, and I need a little help from you all to weed through these items and really narrow down the stuff that I really want to pick. So I'm hoping to get some great feedback from you guys as well. If you aren't familiar with FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box where you get full-size products at really heavily discounted prices. They also have these sales throughout the year, and one of these types of sales is the add-on sale. So for the add-on sale, you probably already know, but what happens is you're able to go through, pick up some extra items that you want to add on into your basket for the season. It ships with your seasonal box, and at least in the continental US, there's no additional shipping charge. A lot of these add-on items are items from previous boxes that they probably have overstock for, items that do repeat in other add-on sales as well. So I definitely have an opinion about a lot of these, so I hope I can give you some good advice as well. If you are new to FabFitFun and want to check it out for yourself, definitely consider using my referral link in the description box below, because you will save a little bit of money if you use that link. Alright, so I also want to get out there that this video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. I purchased all of these items by myself, and none of these were even gifted to me nor sponsored. So I just want to make that very clear. I think that's really important, because then you can realize that a lot of my opinions won't be biased, hopefully. So I really hope that my thoughts about a lot of these products will truly help you out as well. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it. I'm going to move over, as I usually do, a little bit to put the pictures of the items that I have here, and just take you through the ones that I have in my cart, why I have it in my cart, and kind of my thoughts on it. But really, most importantly, I want to hear from you. I want to hear what you think about these products, and if you think I should add on anything else that's currently available. Alright, so the first item I have here is a classic suntan or sunscreen lotion. Do you call it suntan lotion? That's probably such an old, antiquated term, but I often still call this suntan lotion, although I know it's sunscreen. Anyway, moving on. This is the classic lotion, it's called. It says Vacation. It's SPF 30. I love picking up different little types of sunscreen because it's so important to use sunscreen, especially as we're heading into the warmer months up ahead. You always have to have sunscreen in your bag, in my opinion. So I like to have different versions, especially because I have 4 kids that are pretty young. I like to have different varieties for them, kind of mix it up. It makes them more interested in trying different sunscreens. So this one claims to have a really nice scent. If you've tried it, please let me know. I've never tried this brand before, but I mean, it's 50% off. It seems like a pretty good deal, a little small size that's easy to tote, I imagine. It's SPF 30, so I have that in my cart now. I'm definitely interested in it. The next item is this body wash from Aloe. It's Aloe Glow System, the Mega C Body Wash. So also a pretty good deal. It's 50% off, and I don't know, I've just heard really good things about the Aloe skincare products. As you will see in my upcoming customization video, the seasonal box is offering an Aloe, I think, facial spray. So I'm interested in trying this line. I definitely have not tried the Aloe skincare yet. So I'm intrigued. I will potentially pick this up and let you guys know. I've heard pretty good reviews about this product, so I'm really intrigued. Alright, the next duo is here, and I am almost for sure going to pick this up. This is the Necessaire Hair Duo. So I've talked about this brand before. I first was introduced to this in FabFitFun in one of the, I think, seasonal boxes, where I picked up the body wash, and that was really based on one of your opinions, because you said this is a luxury type of skincare line, you should definitely add this to your box. So I listened. I was super happy with the body wash. because I liked it so much and I heard how hyped their body serum was. If you watch my channel, you realize I picked up the body serum in the most recent Sephora sale. So I got that, and I've been loving it. That texture of the serum is really nice in my opinion. At first it goes on a little bit sticky, I think, or tacky, but then it dries down to such a smooth, silky type of finish that I really love the serum. So I have to try the shampoo and conditioner. I'm really getting more into this brand. So yeah, I'm excited to give this one a try. It's a pretty good deal. It says it's 41% off, which is really nice too. I know this goes on sale, so other places, but I think I'm going to try to pick up this duo here and test out the shampoo and conditioner. All right, so the next item is kind of a no-brainer. It's the Arch Brow Micro Pencil from Hourglass. So yes, I love my brow pencils. I use them every single day. I think touching up your brows is really an essential every day, even if you don't really wear much makeup. So I go through these pretty quickly. I don't think I've tried the Hourglass one. I've tried a lot of them, but I haven't tried the Hourglass one. And I mean, this is 75% off. It's $3.99. I mean, you just cannot go wrong to at least try it out. So I'm going to try this out almost for sure. I think this is probably sold out already because it was such a good deal, but one tip for the sale is you just keep refreshing your site and then try to check really close to when the add-on sale closes, because that's when people, like myself, finally decide to weed through their cart and put a lot of things back. So if you really have your heart set on something, definitely check more toward the end of the sale. And there's a good chance a lot of these things will become available again, but this is a totally great deal and I think a good find. I'll keep you guys posted. The next item here is from a brand that I also have not tried. It's Static Nails, and it's the Ballerina Liquid Glass Lacquer, so a nail polish. Another great value. It's 69% off, and I tend to, as I've said before, just do my own nails. I mostly do that just because it's a time saver and a money saver, honestly. I mean, occasionally I'll go to get a manicure, but usually I just do it myself. It's just relaxing to me. I enjoy it. It saves a lot of time and money, so I tend to just do my own nails. And I will say my favorite color is the classic ballerina type of pink or nudie pink. It's just beautiful. It looks professional at work, I think. It wears well. So I want to try this one. I just love this beautiful light shade of pink color. So I'm going to try it out. I'm excited. I've had really good luck with some of the nail polishes from FabFitFun. They offer a lot of polishes from London Town, and I do really like those nail polishes, really great values. I've also tried a lot of their nail art stickers, so a lot of these are offered again in the add-on sale in case you're curious. I'm not going to pick those up this time just because I have a lot of them, and my kids love those stickers too, but highly recommend those. Those are super fun. I really love their nail polishes. They just really are great values as well. All right, so I'm going to move on to a few jewelry items, and here's where I definitely need your help as well. I have my eye on this Ballier chain studs. It's from Love AJ. It comes in this gold tone here with the crystals, or cubic zirconias, and then it also comes here in the silver tone as well. So I have my eye on both. I love this little chain drop. I think it looks pretty unique, so I don't know. I may consider getting one of these. I do really love the look. I've said this many times before, but I love playing around with fashion jewelry on my ears because the earrings are something that I always take off when I shower and when I go to bed. I know if I had fine jewelry in my ears, I don't have to take them off, just like my other jewelry, my rings and bracelets and necklaces, I never take off. But for earrings, even if I had fine jewelry earrings on, I think I probably would still take them off because when I sleep, I just don't want it pressing on my earlobe there. So because I know that I'm going to change out my earrings on the daily, I always love playing around with fun fashion jewelry. So I just have basic pearl studs here, so it's not fun obviously, but I do love wearing studs, but I love playing around as well. So this kind of earring is really up my alley, so I have my eye on them. Speaking of fun little earrings, look at how cute these are. I mean, it's so adorable. So if I get this, I hope I get it before Valentine's Day because I really love it. It's so pretty with the beautiful pink. I am definitely a pearl type of girl, as you can tell, so there's a little pearl in the middle. Really have my eye on these. It's from Kate Spade. Not the best value, it's only 25% off. I'm sure you probably can get a better deal somewhere else, but I just love these. I'm definitely overall more of a studs type of a girl, so definitely loving this one. All right, next up is just kind of a random thing, and that's what's nice about FabFitFun is because they include beauty, fashion, makeup, skincare, lifestyle products. Sometimes you just get random stuff. They have stuff for pets, as you'll see. They have a lot of homeware, just a lot of different kinds of stuff. So this is the My Tag-Alongs Chill Pills Vitamin Organizer. So basically it's a little pill box, and not super interesting, but I really have had my eye on these pill boxes. I was probably going to get one on Amazon. I've seen a lot of good recommendations for ones there. But I mean, this is so cute. It says chill pills. I just love the color scheme, so I'm probably going to pick up this one. I don't have a lot of pills. I honestly don't take a lot of vitamins. I truly believe that if you eat a healthy, balanced diet, you probably don't need a lot of supplements. But I do have a couple pills that I like to carry with me, mostly Tylenol, headache medicine, some basic pain medicine. I don't like carrying around bottles of them because they get really bulky. So I figure I'll just put a few in one of these things and then I can just carry it around with me. It's a lot easier. So I'm almost for sure going to check this out. I just love this. It's super cute. I love how it says chill pills too. Don't we all need a little bit of a chill pill? So the last item, I think, so yeah, this was quick. I don't have a ton of items this time, is this bag. Okay, so I totally need your help here. If any of you are familiar with this brand, please comment below. It's called Ideal of Sweden AB. It's called the Daria Shopper Bag. It retails supposedly on here for $160 and they're offering it for $69. So this isn't the best picture. I don't know why they included a picture like this with a bag on the side of the screen, but this is the picture that's offered, and it's this really cool denim, and then it has some stud detail. It's full leather, black, and it has a cool pocket in the front, and it also has, I think, some pockets on the inside, but it's basically this structured looking tote bag. So I love all kinds of bags, as you know if you watch this channel, and I definitely love a good tote bag. Always have. I think they're very practical, especially if you have kids, but also if you go to work as I do. I just love throwing things in case I need to bring a laptop, in case I need to bring some files home. I just love that you have the room to just put it in there. So I love big tote bags, and this would qualify. I don't know about this brand though. I mean, I told myself I was going to try to steer clear of just random name bags because, as you know, I love my luxury bags and I need to use them more because some of them I just do not touch at all and I just need to use them more. So I need to kind of pare down my collection a little bit. So that's what I told myself. The first thing is to stop buying these types of bags. But I am a bag lover, so when I see a style I like, I don't care about the brand, I just like the style. So I just thought this was cute. I think I have a little bit of a denim kick on my mind because I just am really loving the Louis Vuitton denim drop that they just did. But I thought this was definitely unique, would be practical. It's not the most super professional type of a bag, I would say, but it's okay. I wear whatever to work. So I don't know. I have my eye on this. I will see if I cave and give into this, but if you have any comments about this bag, good or bad, please let me know. It'll totally help me out. All right, so I think that does it. So I was trying to be good and not include too many things. As per usual, I will go through, weed a lot of the stuff out of this cart. A lot of it will be based on your opinion, so thank you ahead of time. I also will add some other random things, I have no doubt. So stay tuned for my upcoming big FabFitFun seasonal unboxing, and I'll share with you guys the items that I actually do pick up. Also, definitely check out my video that I'm going to upload next because that will be my seasonal customize with me, and I'll take you through all the different customization options that I am selecting for this season. Comment down below, what are your favorites from the add-ons this season? What are some things that I need to pick up? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.